Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to turn off Touch Auto Climb in Bully Anniversary Edition. First of all, open the Bully Anniversary Edition app on your device, and from the main menu, click on the map icon at the top right corner. From the expanded menu appearing on the screen, click on Settings at the bottom left, and under Settings, click on Controls at the top. Under Controls, go ahead and look for the Touch Auto Climb option, and then tap on the toggle button right next to it to turn off Touch Auto Climb. After you turn it off, this means your character will now only climb when you manually swipe or press the climb control, no more auto climbing. If you ever want to turn on the auto climbing, then you can tap on the toggle button right next to Touch Auto Climb and turn it on, just like that. Turning off the auto touch climb gives you more control over climbing and makes gameplay more precise, especially in tricky platforming sections. You can always toggle it back on if you prefer auto climbing, and that's it. That is how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.